All right, welcome back. 5-minute lessons, graphing calculator, and quadratics. So we're going to have to get out of this beautiful background for a second, and we're going to pull up our graphing calculator. Okay, so hopefully you're used to going to this y equals window, and let's just take a look at what y equals x squared looks like. Bang, it's a parabola. Where's the vertex? It's at 0, 0. Why? Well, if I put in a 0 and I square it, I still get a 0. Notice, it's always giving me positive numbers because -7 times -7 is positive 49. This is why the graph is strictly positive. That's going to affect the range. Okay, now, but more importantly, this is all about graphing, so I'll stick to that. What do you think happens when we do x squared plus 5? Well, from what we've learned so far, it should shift it up 5. Bang, up 5. We were correct. What do you think happens when we put it in parentheses and do x plus 5 squared? Now be careful. You might think this is going to make it move right 5. Nah, baby, nah. That really says x minus -5. It's going to go left 5. Okay, so what happens if we combine those two topics? How about y equals parentheses x plus 5 squared, and then plus 5 again on the outside. Oh, great googly moogly. Now it's gone left 5 and up 5. And now we're really starting to get a hold of what this does. So this is how we're going to transform our parabola. Now, there's another way to transform it. Let me clear these. Excuse me. Shouldn't have cleared the first one, but let's look at x squared. Let's compare that to 2x squared and compare that to 0.5x squared. Well, I think the 2x squared is going to grow twice as fast as x squared, and I think 0.5x squared is going to grow half as fast. Sure enough. Okay, so the blue one is x squared. The red one is 2x squared. It's growing faster, and what that does is give us a thinner parabola. The black one is 0.5x squared. That gives us a 2c's thicker parabola. Okay, so now you know pretty much everything you need to know about shifting graphing calculators. Also, if you were given this, shifting graphing calculators, how about shifting quadratics? If they asked you what the vertex is, what's the vertex? Well, how did this thing shift? It went right 2 and down 3. That's the vertex. We can get it straight from understanding how to shift these things, okay? What is the axis of symmetry? Okay, well, this is a hard one, so I'm just going to have to teach you this. Well, the axis of symmetry is the line that equally divides that thing into two equal parts. So in this one, this line is x equals 0 because the vertex was at 0, 0. Well, this one, we would have x equals 2 because our vertex was at 2, -3. There's our vertex, 2, comma, -3. So what is this line right here? This is the line x is always 2. You just find that. 5-minute lesson.